Hello, Carl here, Central Coast Joomla Users Group, and we're doing a tour today of an extension that's made for Joomla. This extension is great for Joomla, and especially people just starting out a Joomla site to organize some kind of social community. This is a great support tool and is used by many people giving support for products worldwide. It is called Kunena. Now, Kunena formerly was called Fireboard Form and has been around for a while, but recently they've come up with a brand new design which really is almost a fork in the road and a whole new direction for this component. And you have to remember, this is a free extension component for Joomla. It is quite incredible. Anybody that has a business and they're working with the public and need a way to communicate with their clients, or even people in their organization to answer questions or to tell people what's up, what's going on, and it interfaces with many other Joomla components almost seamlessly. The form seems to be an intricate part of working and developing software for people that communicate with each other worldwide, try to answer questions and solve problems. The tabs on top that you see above the form are there to organize what posts and what questions you've asked and what things you've answered. So you'll see tabs for recent topics, new topics, no replies, my topic, your profile, and a new improved search feature. Joomla itself does not have a very extended way of having a profile for yourself or seeing a profile of other members and how to get a hold of them. That's what the Kunena form does really well in the new version, is that it gives you a whole extended user profile and also the ability to interface with different components and interface with their user profile systems. After the new install of 1.6, you'll notice under your menu structure that there's now a new menu structure you can control just for Kunena itself. Now we're going to go into the back end when you're logged in to the Joomla administrator part of your website. We're going to go to Components and then to Kunena Form. As soon as you're logged in, you'll notice to the left that there is a whole menu structure. This has been redone, so it is now more condensed and easier to find different areas. Other areas have been completely improved and expanded upon, such as the template manager, the emotions manager, the rank manager, the ability to prune the form and to synchronize users, to show you statistics and reports, and also a link to the website, their website, for support on the Kunena project. And to be honest with you, the best way to get to know some of your components is to join some of the websites out there that are the small organizations that build these projects that run on Joomla. In building any type of community or working with any group of users, you run into certain situations where you have to control your website in order to control the content that other people might place inappropriately, or you might just need to edit this content a little bit to help out the user to get their message across. At any rate, it is very important to set up your form correctly and go through all the settings so that you can manage it and understand it both from the front end and from the back end as an administrator of your form. Anyway, this is the most inexpensive way to start a community that there is that I know for Joomla. And the ability of this to interface with all the main components and other extensions that are made for Joomla, and being up to date and ready when the new Joomla 1.6 is ready to go online into its RC version and then its final version. So this component is there for the Joomla community and people that are interested in building communities with Joomla and offering support to customers and people everywhere using Joomla websites. One of the interesting new features that you'll find, and something that is being expanded, is the template manager. This is a feature that allows people to customize the form to look more like the website itself in coloration and style. Another new feature that has been expanded upon and improved is the Rank Manager. This gives you the ability to rate your users of your site and give them so many points for their contributions to your site, or to let people aware that somebody might be a spammer or a moderator of the site. Now visit Kunena.com and download the latest copy of 1.6, and this installs right over almost any previous version of Kunena. Now, being able to find out and expand the component is key for success of using any component with Joomla. So I can't stress enough to visit the website, find out about all the new extensions that are available, and also you could gain valuable support and knowledge about the project by visiting their website. Thank you very much from Carl here at the Joomla Users Group Central Coast, and look for more tours on interesting products that are for Joomla in the future.